Hello! It is day 30 of the Make the Damn Video Challenge. And I've done it. I've done it! I can't believe this day is here. It's absolutely phenomenal. Incredible. So today, Tamara herself has set us some questions to answer about the whole experience of the Make the Damn Video Challenge. So I'm going to make my way through those for you and give you my little insight on the challenge itself. So question number 1, how did you come across the challenge? Well, my husband actually introduced me to the challenge. He is a complete YouTube geek. He adores YouTube and always has done since it started really. And we were basically in the car one day and we were talking about different videos and how tech, is such a huge part of our lives and how we could embrace it even more. And actually I'd kind of brought up the comment of that one day I'd quite like to do a podcast with him about something, God knows what, but the idea was there, and it is something I still want to do as well. And he said, actually, have you seen Tamara Gabriel's challenge and the Make the Damn video? Which I had not. So I quickly got onto it. I got on Tamara's channel, I watched loads of her videos, I learned about the challenge, and he said, just go for it. He was like, why not? What's the worst that can happen? Dr. Pepper it, as they say. So I went for it. And here we are 30 days later. So thank you, Matthew, and thank you, Tamara, for creating this incredible challenge opportunity for us to just give it a damn go. It's absolutely brilliant, so thank you very much. Question number 2, how many days ago did you start? Well, it's exactly 30. I posted my first video on the 30th of October, and I have actually done it as it has been written, and I have done one video every day. So I am really, really proud of myself for that, because I easily give up on things if I don't see them kind of evolving how I want them to, which is a real downside to my personality. But I've found such a love and a passion for filmmaking and getting in front of the camera. So, as I've said before, thank you, Tamara, because I'm only here because of you. I wouldn't have done it on my own. I wouldn't have branched out there on my own. So thank you. Question number 3, how many videos have you done throughout the challenge? Now, she said to be very specific and honest here, so I will. I have made 30 videos, which all have been posted to my channel, this one included. And I will be perfectly honest, I have about 4 which are in the blooper folder on my computer. Maybe one day I'll do a bit of a collage of blooper reels. So I'd say, yeah, probably about 34 in total. But then on the whole, my husband and I now have started doing so much more filming when we're out and about. We've bought a couple new cameras so that we can both kind of, even if obviously we're in the same place, we can both have a go at trying to get some content, whether it be B-roll or, family videos and things like that. We've really changed our mindset about filming, and we're just embracing it in every possible way that we can. It's really, really amazing. Question number 4, why hadn't you started making videos before this challenge? Now, I will be brutally honest, confidence. Plain and simple confidence. In about my mid-20s, for reasons unknown really, I lost all of my confidence as a human being really. And this is coming from somebody who from the age of 3 has been on a stage, who has performed in musicals, plays, dance shows, everything you can think of, and who loved being in the spotlight. And then I went on to be a classical ballet teacher, so I again was always in front of a huge group of people. So to lose that confidence was quite a big thing. But I must say, over the last 30 days, I have definitely found a chunk of the old confident Katie, and she's back and she's coming back, and it's exhilarating, it's exciting, and I feel so different. It's refreshing, really, and I hope that's come across in some of my videos as well. I really do, because I also want this to be an inspiration to others who are going through the challenge or want to go through the challenge, that you can do it. You can make the damn video. So please give it a go. Question number 5. How do you think you've changed after doing the challenge, and how did it help? Well, as I've just mentioned, confidence has increased tenfold, and I can only hopefully see it going up and up and up and up and up now. I've even created my own content planner for December, because I don't want this momentum to stop. If I stop now, if I just think, oh, the challenge is over, it's done, I'll put the cameras away and I know they'll just start gathering dust on the side, and I don't want that. I have found so much love and passion and enthusiasm and want for more in the future through this challenge that I just want to keep it going. So I've even done myself another 30-day plan, or well, it's a bit more than that because I've gone up to the new year, but I've done a plan. And yes, it might not happen every day, it might not, but I've got the plan in place so that I can, if I want to, it's there, it's ready to go. So I hope that I can keep building that momentum, keep building, a little tiny following would be lovely, and keep showing up, keep making the damn video. As a family as well, I can't tell you how much this has, impacted us in such a positive way. I say my husband and I are now, we geek out on YouTube videos together and looking at different things that we could do as just the two of us, and also as a family. And also my boys, who are, one's nearly 6 and one's 9, they are using old iPhones of ours that can still film, and they are making their own little YouTube channels, and they are filming and saying, they're doing the whole like and subscribe and hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And it's so lovely because they've embraced it as well. They can see how happy and confident I think it's made me, and then the relationship for me and my husband with it as well, and they want to be a part of it. They want a family YouTube channel, royalty family, watch out, because they love it as well, and that's really lovely to see, that it's something that we can all do together as a family, which is amazing. So to wrap up, make the damn video. I did. In fact, I made 30 of the damn videos, and I can't wait to see what's around the corner. So a final thank you to Tamara. Thank you to the community. Wow, you are the biggest cheerleaders and the most lovely, kindest people from all over the world, all walks of life. And I can't thank you enough for the kind comments. Literally, you've kept me going every single day. So thank you so much. Thank you, Tamara. Like and subscribe, because there's lots of exciting stuff coming up from the Katie Davis channel. So thank you guys, and I will see you soon. Take care.